These are pretty common to go bad as well, just FYI. The CAN bus bar right here. Yeah, it's like hiding behind there. You're gonna wanna plug your scanner into here. Yeah, okay, so always remember to plug these back in after you're done scanning. Because then your radio won't work, your AC won't work. None of that stuff is gonna work. What am I getting them backwards or something? Oh yeah. Okay, that's and that. So yeah, just like this. Next step is plug in your OBD scanner as usual. You already know. And I mean, I'm still waiting for the battery on this vehicle, but yeah, it's a little tutorial on how to do the bypass on the SGW for a 2018 Chrysler 300.